Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kyemy, and my name is Sunita and I am Oracle DBA from a long time. And here I want to share a quick a video on prerequisites, installation steps and post installation of Oracle 12.2. So the most important and the biggest challenge that all of us face is from where to get all these things that we want to install. Most of the people, I have checked out many videos, but most of the videos they do talk about the installation steps, but very few talk about from where to get the things that are needed. So the first thing is VirtualBox that we would need, uh, as we would be installing it on our home computer and we don't have too many machines to try it out with. So use VirtualBox, install it on top of your Windows machine or any other host operating system, and just go ahead with that. Then you would need an Oracle Linux machine and the ISO image. The link I have already shared here. Uh, mm, and then you would need winscp. It may or may not be depend upon um, your comfort level. If you are okay to work directly on a virtual machine, you can use it. However, people are more comfortable when they work via putty. So what they do is they stage all their binaries via winscp to the computer, and then they work via putty. So it completely depends upon you. Then is the Oracle binaries download. From where would you go ahead and download it? So the link I have already shared, and here are some other links that I would be making some videos in future for Oracle Golden Gate installation on 19C and microservices and Veridata as well for comparison. So let me just quickly walk you through with all the links that I have shown you. So as I said, the first one is Oracle VirtualBox. So if you see here, when you log in here, Oracle VirtualBox, it does give you a few options. So if you are on Windows machine, you should install Windows Host, and it's very simple to go ahead and install it. Sometimes you might need an extension pack, so you can click on this link and install it. Then you need an ISO image. So here's the link, yum.oracle.com/Oracle Linux ISOS.html, and here all the images are there that you would need, and depending upon what you want to try on, just go ahead and download it. So here is a full ISO that you would be needing for installation. Then um, you would need Oracle binaries. So Oracle binaries are here. This is for 12.2. So you need to download this one. And then we have Oracle Golden Gate downloads, which is here. So depending upon which one and for which platform, for which database you want to install, as per that requirement, you would go ahead and install it. And all right, and here is the Golden Gate Veridata as well. So what I would be showing in my future video is 12.2.1.2.0. Okay. All right. So I would keep the video short here on just only for prerequisites. Please watch my future videos for the installation steps. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead. If you have not subscribed my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you.